Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about inventory management, and in the inventory management we are starting with site and warehouse creation. So this is episode 1 for inventory management. So site and warehouse creation, how to configure it. To create site and warehouse, you need to go to inventory management, inventory breakdown, site warehouse. Site warehouse. First of all, what is site and what is warehouse? Site is a geographical area, and warehouse is a physical building. It's a site is non-tangible thing, and warehouse is tangible. So, for example, site is site is a geographical area. That means Andhra Pradesh is one of the site and Karnataka is one of the site. In Andhra Pradesh site will have n number of warehouses like Puram warehouse, Whitefield warehouse, sorry, Andhra I'm telling, right? It's Tirupati warehouse, Vijayawada warehouse, like that. In Karnataka also there will be n number of warehouses. That means Bangalore, Mysore, like that. In Bangalore, we'll have one warehouse, and one warehouse is in Mysore. Like it is a building, not Mysore. It is a place, but at the Mysore location, there is a one warehouse for site Karnataka. So let's start creating the site first. So new, I'll take AP site. And these all other use transfer journal for movement. These things we'll discuss later. First, we are talking about basic setups of site and warehouse. I'm not discussing anything about warehouse, advanced warehouse, or master planning. So once this site is created, I'll go and create the warehouse. So for example, TPT warehouse means Tirupati warehouse I am giving. Or I'll give let's let's take otherwise warehouse 2, warehouse 2, and we are assigning that this warehouse which site it belongs to. So this warehouse is belongs to episite, and we have type of warehouse. Is it quarantine warehouse or is it transit or default? I'm taking this warehouse as a default warehouse. I'm not taking uh, like it is like normal warehouse where we are doing all the transactions to this warehouse. And we have quarantine warehouse. uh, if you are following any quality management, then you want to quarantine the product, and once the quality management is done, then it will go to normal entry. So that is one thing. And transit warehouse, if you are transferring from one warehouse to another warehouse, that goods will be in transit, right? It's not received in the destination warehouse, but it's in transit, it's in transport somewhere in between the source warehouse and destination warehouse. If you want to track that, then we'll use the transit warehouse. So let's take one more warehouse. I'll take it as I'll give the same naming convention, because so that we can sit warehouse. So that we can easily recognize. So type will be transit, that we need to select it properly. Okay. So once the transit warehouse is created, assign that transit warehouse to our default warehouse, normal warehouse. So that means when you are transferring from this warehouse to another warehouse, the goods will be tracked from the transit warehouse. So when you move some goods from warehouse to it, the goods will move to transit warehouse, and it will be tracked under transit warehouse. Then once the goods reach to destination warehouse, then it remains zero. That means it is not manual type of thing, it is automatic. Once the goods moved from warehouse to shipped, then it will go to transit. Once it's reached to destination, it's moved out of transit warehouse. Okay, let's take one more warehouse, warehouse 3, and it comes under episite. So I'm saving it. I'm not giving any quarantine warehouse and transit warehouse. We'll discuss about master planning and advanced inventory management later. Maybe we'll talk about locations. Default receipt location. If you are maintaining in warehouse management, default receipt location you can provide, default issue location for this warehouse, and default production input location. Those things you can map here. And so coming to the next thing is that creation of location. So I'm not enabling these things currently. uh, so I'll go to location first. See inventory locations under inventory breakdown. Let's take new. So under this, so for example warehouse 2, what is the location type of this? We have different bulk location, picking location, inbound dock, outbound dock, production input location, inspection location, and so I'll take this inbound dock as a type. So while creating the location, I'll is mandatory. So to create that, I am giving right click and view details, so that we can go and create the aisle first. Let's take the aisle. So it is for warehouse 2. So maybe L1. Okay, once that is done, map here. So if you want to update the location manually, give manual update and provide L1. So this is one thing, manual uh, location creation, and we'll discuss about automated location number generation in the next episode. I'll talk about those things in next episode, and uh, so and later on we'll talk about transfer order, inventory posting profiles, and how the inventory transactions will post, while inventory received, movement journal, counting journal. Those things we'll talk about later uh, in the coming episodes. So I'll stop here. uh, okay, so we'll discuss other things in coming episodes. Thank you, Aaron. Yeah, bye.